बच्चों को भी दिखा दो।
Good morning to all, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, my teachers and my dear friends. I am Bhumika Rikhari from Suma's house from 9th grade, and today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar Jayanti marks the birth of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was born on 14th April 1891. We all know him as the father of the Indian Constitution, but his contributions are not limited in just. He was a very talented person. He knew 11 languages and can speak them professionally. He was a social reformer, he was a politician, he was a jurist and an economist. He always fought against the injustice prevalent of our Indian society. The Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated with pride throughout the country to honor the Bhimrao Ambedkar for his fight for the equality for the marginalized community. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar faced many difficulties and challenges because he also taught Dalit family, and those days Dalits were treated badly. But Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar studied hard and became the first Dalit to complete his studies in abroad. He earned his doctorates from the Columbia University in USA and the London School of Economics, UK. He became the law minister in 1947 but resigned in 1951 because of his lack of influence in the government of the India, because the practice of untouchability in the Hindu religion. He renounced Hinduism and became a Buddhist along with his 2 lakh Dalit followers and wrote the book Buddha and his Dhamma. And he was honored with the award Bharat Ratna in the year 1990. This day, Ambedkar Jayanti, is the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. But it is not only the birth anniversary. सिर्फ सालगिरह नहीं है, किसी भी चीज की सालगिरह तो हर साल ही आती है. But this birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was born on 14th April 1891, it is not only the celebration of his life, but it is also a reminder of his contribution in the justice, equality, education and the empowerment in the underprivileged. He was a main architect of our constitution, and he also said, if I be found constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. The casteism is a main problem we all are familiar with. Even in the 21st century, people discriminate each other in the basis of caste. लोग जाति के नाम पे एक दूसरे से ऐसे उलझते हैं कि खून में जाति का नाम लिखवा के आए हूँ. There is no caste in blood. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one religion, the religion of love. There is only one language, the language of heart. And once again, the caste system overrules our humanity. Bhimrao Ambedkar also said that the cultivation of the human mind should be the main aim of the human existence. Because जाति के रंग में लोग ऐसे रंग जाते हैं, जाति के रंग में लोग ऐसे रंग जाते हैं कि सर्वोपरि जाति मानव जाति को भूल जाते हैं, कि सर्वोपरि जाति मानव जाति को भूल जाते हैं. They